Our oceans cover about 71% of the Earth's surface and are vital for the health of our planet, yet they face numerous threats due to human activities. Let's start with the concept of overfishing. Overfishing occurs when fish are caught at a faster rate than they can reproduce. This depletes fish populations, leading to the collapse of local fisheries and disruption of marine ecosystems. For instance, the overfishing of predatory species like sharks can cause a cascade of effects, including the overpopulation of smaller fish and a decline in coral reef health. Another major threat is pollution, particularly plastic pollution. It's estimated that 8 million tons of plastic waste enter our oceans every year. These plastics break down into smaller particles known as microplastics, which are ingested by marine animals and can even enter the human food chain. Not only does plastic pollution harm marine life, but it also damages habitats like coral reefs and mangroves, which are crucial for the biodiversity of the ocean. Climate change is also having a profound impact on the oceans. Rising sea temperatures are causing coral bleaching, where corals expel the symbiotic algae that give them their color and nutrients. This weakens the corals, making them more susceptible to disease. Additionally, the melting of polar ice caps is contributing to sea level rise, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. So, what can be done to protect our oceans? One approach is the establishment of marine protected areas, or MPAs. These are regions of the ocean where human activity is restricted or prohibited to allow ecosystems to recover and thrive. MPAs have been shown to increase biodiversity and help replenish fish stocks. Another important strategy is reducing carbon emissions to mitigate the effects of climate change. This includes transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and supporting international agreements like the Paris Accord. Reducing the use of single-use plastics and improving waste management systems can also help combat ocean pollution. In conclusion, ocean conservation requires a multifaceted approach, addressing overfishing, pollution, and climate change. By taking action now, we can help preserve the health of our oceans for future generations.